In traditional astrology, the moon is considered to represent one's desires, needs, as well as what we are naturally magnetically attracting to us. Welcome back to our Moon Through the House series. I'm Miliana Reyes with Matriarch Astrology, and let's get right into this video. Moon in the 4th house may feel a strong emotional connection to their home and family. Here we see a desire for a stable and secure family life where they can feel nurtured and supported. This placement often leads to a very deep-rooted connection with one's ancestral roots. A person here can be very interested in their ancestry as well as continuing family traditions. There's also going to be a desire for peace, calm, and tranquility within the home, because after having a lot of social interactions, or let's say they're out all day, they really need that home to come to where they can recharge. Now, people with this placement may put a lot of effort in creating a safe home environment, not only for themselves, but also for those that they care for. So this can be close family members, really close friends, siblings, and if they have children as well, for their children. So it's going to be very important to create that warm, safe environment for their family. And one way they can do this is by surrounding themselves with sentimental objects, family photos, childhood photos, even like childhood sentimental objects like a teddy bear or a blanket that they had when they were young. This can make it more inviting for guests that come so that they can see pictures of themselves and reminisce on those old memories together. Also, another manifestation that we can see is bringing people in together into their home to cook them a loving, warm meal and entertaining them in some type of way. So they're going to want to have partners that are dependable, reliable, stable, and loyal so that they can feel like they can create a home with that person. Again, that really depends on a lot of other aspects and the ruler of the 4th house, but this is very general. Now, having this placement can make you very sensitive to how your home is. So having Himalayan salt lamps, cleansing the space frequently is going to be important for you, because you can have this natural tendency to pick up any type of tension that's within the home, and your first reaction is going to be to want to fix the problem, to bring things back to an equilibrium. So it could have manifested in childhood where if there was any type of arguments or fights that your parents were having or other siblings were having within the home, you were able to pick up on that energy within your home, almost like an auric energy that you were very sensitive to. And you may have felt uncomfortable with that energy in the home. Again, that depends a lot on if there's aspects to malefics and things like that. So that's why it may be important for you as an adult to make sure that the home is harmonious and that there's no negative tension. So regular cleansings will be beneficial for you. There is a strong sense of empathy here. So we do have a natural talent for bringing people together. And it could be that you want to bring people together at your home in order to resolve any conflict, especially if it has to do with other family members or people that are really close to you. So we could see that natural talent for bringing people together. Now, if you are a parent and you have this placement, one of the manifestations could be that you want to homeschool your children or really value doing creative art projects at home, having birthday parties at the house. Or if it's connected to the 10th house, we could see here a manifestation of working from home in some type of way that nurtures other people. One example that I have from a client is someone who works remotely from home as a counselor. So she does her therapies in her own home office where she's still nurturing her client, giving that one-on-one counseling. Even though it's remotely through the computer, it's still that nurturing support and helping that other person, but she's still within her own home. So in general, to conclude everything, we can see that there's a need to have safety within the home, to feel safe and secure with your partnerships and families within your home, and knowing that that is a place that you can go to recharge and replenish your energies from the outside world and environment. Depending on aspects, the sign that the moon is in, it can really color how things will manifest. So it's always important to get a natal chart reading to get further insight on your personal chart and how this can manifest for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.